How to reduce the cost of 5-axis CNC machining connectors by 20%. The customer sent us the drawings for review. It is found that it is an irregular eccentric part. According to the traditional CNC machining method, only can be made by 5-axis CNC machines, and the outer diameter of the material is big, which requires large machining area, long time, and waste raw material. In this way, the CNC machining cost was too high, and the customer cannot accept it. Afterwards, our engineers optimize the machining process and suggest that's made by extrusion, as shown in the picture, and then machined by CNC turning at first process. After the process is complete, produced by the 3+2 CNC machining. It not only saves materials cost but also the CNC machining times and reduce the cost by 20%. That's all for today. If you have any question about CNC machining, please leave a message.